We have a food insecure state here in New Mexico, and being able to reach our students during the time that we have them is so important.
We're here to innovate new dishes. We're here to kind of see what they are offering currently. We're here to visit a middle school and cook with kids. We're also here to visit high schoolers and get their thoughts on where the food program is.
It's not every day that we get to meet five-star restaurant chefs like that, so it was a really cool experience to meet them and talk with them.
They were talking about texture and flavor. It was such a professional conversation. It just blew me away.
Going to the elementary school and seeing them with their garden, prepping food and cooking for the dinner to have with their parents, it was an incredibly beautiful experience.
We've tasted a lot of what's currently available. We can build on those ideas and make them healthier and more flavorful and more fun and interactive for the kids.
This might be the only rounded, nutritious meal they have all day. And I think it's our duty to make sure that that meal is delicious, filling, and it's nutritious.